Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you how having the wrong audience can, kill your channel and destroy everything that you have worked for up till this moment. So, what do I mean by wrong audience? When I say wrong audience, I mean people who are not interested in the niche your channel is covering, the niche your channel is talking about. Let's say your channel, like mine, is talking about smartphones and how to use your phone, but the people who you have as your audience are people who are interested in funny, videos like comedies, movies, or even cooking videos. So you can see this is the kind of people that we call wrong audience. So when you have a wrong audience, it affects your channel views and click-through rates. It affects your watch time hour. If you are yet to be monetized, this may be the reason why you have not been monetized. Because when you bring a video, how YouTube works is that YouTube, recommends video to people based on what they watch. You get. So let's say for instance, I have a video on smartphone on how to make a call with my phone, and someone watches that video. Then the next video I upload on my YouTube channel is now a video of how to dance. You can see that they are not related topics. I want to, encourage you to fix yourself to a particular niche. Don't just, keep talking about every other thing until you go to a point where maybe you're a celebrity or you are a very public, a public figure, that whatever you post, people will consume it. But if you are not yet a public figure, then you should stick to a particular niche so that you can be able to grow, audience from that niche and build consistency. Then you can become that public figure that you are looking to become. Apart from having a low view and watch time hours, when you have the wrong audience, it brings confusion to the algorithm. Algorithm will not be able to know what exactly your channel is about and what you're on about, because you're having different topics that topics that does not relate. It's one thing to create topics in different things, but they have a relation. But when you create topic in football and topic in food and topic in tech and topic in all these different topics and areas, they are different niches. So you make the algorithm to be confused, and when they recommend your videos, they will not know the right audience to push your videos to. So how can you fix this? Just There is a way to fix it, but before we talk about how you can fix it, let me tell you the things that causes this particular problem. Number one, sub for sub. Some people, just try to reach out to other people. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will subscribe to yours. Why this is a good way to encourage each other, it may not be the best, because what these people give you is just numbers. Numbers that may not open their YouTube account. Numbers that does not even use YouTube. Some, because they have email address, then people just use them to subscribe. But at the end of the day, you will see that your views are being impacted because these numbers does not translate to views. So sub for sub is not a good way to grow a channel that is sustainable. Another thing is buying subscribers. I am an advocate of organic growth. In as much as I can advise you, instead of buying subscribers, you can use the Famestar. Famestar means, you can ride on a popular person, like Mr. Beast and all those popular YouTube channel people. Yeah, you can ride on their fame. Maybe Mr. Beast said this, yeah, which may give you a kind of views, but then it's not always the best. But paying for subscribers does not work, because these people, once they get their money, what they are being paid for is to subscribe, not to view. Unless you get a subscriber that what you post is what they really are interested in, that is when you have really gained something. But just paying to get that particular number of subscription, maybe 1,000 for monetization, will not give you a sustainable base for your channel, because you see some people having 100,000 subscribers, but their views are not even up to 1,000 because they have a very wrong audience. So don't pay for subscribers. Another thing that can make you to have a wrong audience is creating a maybe a viral outlier content. Let's say that your channel is focused on food, and then you create something about football, and we know that we have a large audience for football, and a lot of people watch that video and they subscribe to your YouTube channel. The next thing that they are looking forward to seeing is a football video. But all of a sudden you go ahead to post your food video, which your channel is known for, you see that it will not translate to views. So if It's true that may not be your fault that you posted something that went viral, yes, but then it can affect your channel in the wrong run. So in the long run, not in the wrong run. So what I'm saying is that these are the things that affect your, you know, YouTube channel. So how can you fix this? One of the ways you can fix this is to, you don't really need to delete those videos. No, there's no need to delete them. So what you can do is, number one, pause posting on your channel for like 1 or 2 weeks. Then come back and post consistently on that particular niche that you want to build your audience on. When you get people that view your videos on that particular niche, then those are your true audience. Secondly, you may want to review your tags, your hashtags and all, because also these hashtags are ways that algorithm push out our content to people that are searching for such topics. So your hashtags should not just be viral hashtag. It should be specific, hashtags that are tailored to your channel niche. Number three, stop buying subscribers. If you want to really fix your channel, stop buying subscribers. Even if you're not getting subscribers at the moment, let me tell you, the moment you get your right audience, subscription to your channel will not be a problem. So don't buy subscribers, don't pay for subscribers. If you pay for subscribers, you are doing yourself more harm than good. It's better to have no audience at all than to have the wrong audience if you want your YouTube channel to grow sustainably. It's better to have no, like when I mean no, I mean zero audience, than to have a wrong audience for your YouTube channel. I hope this video helps you, and I hope that you get the kind of audience you're looking for, and I wish you all the best in your YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.